So I have this massive big bag and I'm so excited to show you what's inside. So I didn't get too much, but I thought what I did get I would show you guys. So I'm going to start off with what's on top of this bag. I picked up this gorgeous little bikini and that's the pattern on it. So it's like a khaki green with like white palm trees on it. It just looks super nice, really, really exotic and quite pretty. And this I got in a size 10 and the price of this was €5, guys. €5. It has a good little bit of padding in the bottom, like a bit of support. I wouldn't have the largest chest, but I definitely found that the cups on these, even as a 10, are a little bit like small. I would always get a 10 in Penneys bikini tops. I just feel they fit better, but this one like runs a little bit on the small side. It still fits and everything's still remaining in, but just to give you a little bit of a warning. And then these are what the bottoms look like. So they were €3. Oh my god, they're only €3. That's what they look like. Again, I got them in a 10. I just prefer the bottoms to be a bit comfortable. I haven't tried these on though, so I don't know if they're going to be a little bit big, but I don't really care because they're bikini bottoms. Obviously you don't want them too baggy. So yeah, I like the look of them. I like the khaki green and the white palm trees. I just think that they look lovely. And then I picked up some baby clothes. Not for me, for my really good friend Neve. She had a little baby boy Senan during all like the lockdown. So I picked up Senan this gorgeous little Dumbo suit. It's so cute. I got him a 6 to 9 months because I presume everyone's gonna be getting her 3 to 6 months, and I think it's nice to have something when he's just a little bit bigger. So it comes with this little Dumbo bib, which is super cute, and it's cotton lined on the back as well, which is great. It comes with this little t-shirt, baby grow, and it has the poppers on the bottom. I always make sure they have poppers on them. I know that sounds really weird, but some of the baby grows and stuff in Penneys and in Dunnes and places don't always have poppers on them, and it's very inconvenient if you have a child and it doesn't have poppers on it. And then it has a little hat on it that says Dumbo. So cute. And then that's the baby grow and it says ready to fly. I just thought it was really cute. So it'd be like a little sleep outfit for him. And I really like it. So I can't wait to see Neve and give her them. I bought him socks as well. Let me find them first. I bought these little teeny tiny socks. They're so cute. I was showing Paddy these. He was like, how does a little human fit into those little teeny tiny socks? They're so small. I just thought these were really cute. You can't go wrong with socks. I'm gonna get her other little bits and pieces as I see fit. Like I have like a couple of things I want to get for her herself, but they're just for Senan. And then the rest of the stuff I bought for myself. So during lockdown, I think I've worn out all of my white bras. They just look horrific. This one is only a €5 bra. They're really standard. I have these in every color. I think of black, white, green, blue, every single color that they come in, navy, but they're just really comfortable, and it's just a perfect t-shirt bra. And then obviously I had to pick up underwear. So I picked up this pack of 3. They come in lovely little colours. There's like a maroony kind of colour. There's like a loose thread on that. I better cut that one off before something terrible happens. It came in a grey colour and then this kind of like dusty pink. Again, essentials. I picked up these pack of wipes, or cloths rather. For my car. I'm gonna do a clean on my car. So there's one that's for glass. Obviously these are household cleaning wipes or cleaning cloths, and there's an all-purpose one, dust one, a floor one, and a polish. So I just thought maybe when I give my car a little clean out, polishing it and clean the glass and everything on the inside. These are $3.50 for that pack. I picked up a pair of shorts. These are kind of like 80s style shorts. I really like them, and I needed a new pair of shorts because I just realized from lounging around the only kind of cotton shorts that I had that were real casual were all my pajamas. So I wanted like a cotton pair that you could wear out. These were only €3, which I think is pretty good for just these kind of type of shorts. Like they're really nice material as well, and €3 can't go wrong. I feel like some of Penneys stuff was really cheap this time, whereas I've gone in previous times and been like whoa at some of the prices. I thought that they were pretty expensive, but everything I was kind of looking at was pretty reasonably priced. I picked up this belt. It's like a western belt. I could only get the medium size, which is kind of a bummer because I'm gonna have to put a hole in the belt because it's going to be just a little bit too large. I usually get the extra small belts, or small, actually that's the one I always get because it gives it like a little bit of extra belt on it. Anyway, it's like this western style. I just really liked the silver western style, and I thought it'd be really nice with a pair of mom shorts or jeans or something. I picked up another pack of scrunchies. These are €3. These are from the Andrew Fitzsimons, I think they are. The reason why I picked these ones up is because they're satin. I already have these and they just are great on my hair. They don't snap my hair, and like I said, like my hair is not looking the best, so the least amount of snapping and snagging I can have on my hair is the best. And these are €3. All the other scrunchies, which didn't look as nice, were a little bit more expensive, so I was glad I went with them. And then I just have a few more items. I got some socks. These are Minnie Mouse ones. I thought they were just so cute. And they have like navy little mini Mickey Mouse faces and Minnie Mouse stripy ones. They were $3.50. And then I just picked up the 3D Vixen lashes. You guys know they're my favorite lashes. I'm wearing them today. I'm like, love them. And then the Catrice Goodbye Pores. I've no primers left. I've literally used up all the primers that I have in my entire collection, and I needed a new one, so I picked up that one. And now I'm going to get on to the stuff from Zara. So there's just, like I said, a few little items. First item I want to show you guys I've used already is this little bag. And it was $17.50. I know this looks ridiculous because it is so small, and I did complain in the vlog. I was like, oh my god, this is so small, how am I even going to use this? But I actually find it really, really handy just to throw my cards into, and my car keys if I'm just like running out to the shop. If I want to get like a coffee or something, this bag is great. I just grab it and it has everything in it. So I'm gonna use this, I think, as like a change purse, just inside like another purse, or if I go to like a festival or something like that, that you just would keep it on you. It's not the most convenient, but it was going to cost too much to return it, and to be fair, like, it is really cute and I love like little cute things like that, but it's not the most convenient bag. Like, realistically, there's not a whole lot you could put in it. But still, I just thought it was cute and I'm going to keep it. And then I got a few more items. I think two of them you may have seen. So the first thing was these pair of shorts, which I actually love. These are mom shorts and they're just a perfect pair of shorts. Now, I got these in a size 8, which I thought they might be just a little bit more oversized, and I actually am regretting getting them in a size 8 because they're just a little bit too baggy on the waist and on the legs. I always get a size 6 in Zara's clothes are an extra small, so I'm kind of annoyed that I did that. But look, if I get another, I'm just after like shooting the thing off, but if I do get another pair of them, I will stick to a size 6. They have this lovely little Zara, what you call a patch on the back. I really like that, and they're just a really comfy pair of shorts, but they're just a little bit big and I kind of have to keep hoisting them up, so you need a belt with them, but other than that they're fine. And then I picked up this white top. This kind of looks really bizarre, but it looks so nice on. So it's really high necked. I'm not going to try these on, guys, because they're really basic stuff and it's nothing kind of to write home about. But anyway, it kind of has a bit of a high neck. It's not completely high necked, and then it's got like loose sleeves on it and it's real baggy. It's quite sophisticated, like you can dress it up, and then it's quite casual also. So I just thought it was like a nice little versatile top. I picked up this black top, which is kind of shaped similar to that one, but it's just more of a cotton material, whereas that's a slinky material. It doesn't have as high a neck, and it just kind of has like baggy kind of sleeves on it. It's not like a t-shirt, it's more of like a, I don't know, not like a beater, but like kind of like more like a vest, I would guess you would say. And then I picked up this gorgeous little top. One was $19.95. I believe this is in the sale now. If you can get it, definitely pick this up. I tried it on. It is the most prettiest top on ever. It's gorgeous. It's like this milkmaid style, just really cute, like Gone with the Wind, Little House on the Prairie type top. I just really, really love it. It has really cute little sleeves on it, little pearl buttons down the front. It's just a gorgeous little top and it looks really nice on. So I was very, very pleasantly surprised and pleased with that. And then the last thing I got, I showed you guys this in the haul as well. It's just this t-shirt. I have it in white, I have it in blue, I have it in khaki green. I love this top, so I had to get it in black. It just kind of, it's hard to see when I'm just showing you here, but it has this kind of ruching on the front and like little strings that you can tighten and loosen it. It's just a t-shirt. They're $7.95, but they're one of the best purchases and best things that Zara has come out with this season. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little Penneys haul. Again, I told you I didn't really get too much in there. It was just kind of like a really quick in and out journey. To be honest, there wasn't a whole lot in Penneys that I really grabbed my attention. I have enough pajamas, I have enough underwear and bras and socks and everything. I just picked those up just to kind of get something, I guess, when I was in there. But just the queues to get in and queues to pay were just a lot. So it'll be a while before I go in again. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will talk to all of you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.